I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have an activated Office 2007 license and the installer accessible. This is required so updates apply cleanly. Once done, close every Office program and back up any unsaved presentations to avoid data loss. Next, obtain the official Service Pack 3 installer for Office 2007 and place it on your desktop. This single package contains cumulative fixes, so you don't need multiple hotfixes. Make sure System Restore is enabled before installing, in case you need to revert. You run the SB3 installer with administrator rights. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator to ensure files update correctly. During installation, follow prompts and watch for prerequisites the installer may include. If prompted to remove conflicting components, approve only verified changes. After the installer finishes, restart your computer when asked. This lets Windows finalize DLL and registry updates. Once restarted, open PowerPoint 2007 and check Help about to confirm the SB3 build is installed, and you complete the process by running Windows Update or Microsoft Update to pull any post-SB3 Office patches. Make sure to install critical and recommended updates. If PowerPoint behaves oddly after updates, run Office Repair from Control Panel's Programs and Features, choosing Online Repair if available, because it refreshes corrupted files. If PowerPoint still fails to start, rename the normal template and test, and as a last resort reinstall Office 2007. One key troubleshooting tip: check Event Viewer for specific error codes to guide targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.